Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode here in the streets of Kisumu. So basically we want to walk around the streets of Kisumu and just to show you how the streets have actually developed. I'm still with my friend here, Mr. Rickman. We've been walking around Kisumu and I'm pretty much tired. And as you can see, Kisumu is actually developing. I mean the streets, the houses, and it's actually clean and yeah. And also Kisumu is actually the third largest city in Kenya, so but it's not that big city, right?
It's not that big.
It's not that big. It's a very small city, currently very beautiful, and very organized and clean, and beautiful buildings are actually coming up. So what you want to do is we just want to walk around the streets of Kisumu and show you how this place is developed.
Like here we have Selela Resort. It's one of the newest buildings we have in the city. Yeah, so just next to the port. This is the road that leads us to the port. Yeah.
So this is actually one of the newest resorts here in Kisumu.
Yeah.
Selela Resort.
It was launched this year.
And also Kisumu is pretty much hot, man. I've been walking around the streets here and I actually thought it's way much cooler than Nairobi, but it's hot.
So the other building was 1937, this is 1978.
So basically they're actually very old buildings.
Very old.
Yeah. So many rich people come from Kisumu. So basically you'll be shocked to be seeing, like I'm actually trying to tell them, people with money come from Kisumu.
Yeah.
So when you're actually in Kisumu, you'll pretty much be seeing very expensive cars.
Machines.
Like that one, that's a Mercedes Benz. You'll see some big AMG V8 vehicles around. Don't get shocked, it's a normal thing here.
We have a revolution.
Yeah, very huge cars, So when you see such cars in the vlog, don't get shocked. It's a pretty much normal thing here in the streets of Kisumu.
Microphone testing 1 2 check. Iko sawa. Yes. Check.
Kisumu is also home of celebrities.
Yeah.
All celebrities in Kenya.
Like him, he's a celebrity.
So that was Swan Center.
Like I told you in my past episode, I actually said that Kisumu is actually the home of fish, and there's actually an insurance company advertising themselves using the word fish. As you can see, that insurance company.
Yeah.
Fish.
It is fish. Yeah, this is also another one Kenton building.
Yeah, this is actually one of the most beautiful buildings here in Kisumu.
Yeah, in the CBD.
Very nice, of course. It's the tallest.
Yeah, it's amongst the tallest.
Yeah, it's actually amongst the tallest buildings here in Kisumu. And at night, when you're actually walking here at night, very many beautiful lights are around, these buildings. It's called One Kenton Square.
I was born in Jalaram Hospital.
Jalaram.
It's an Indian hospital. Then I went to Kajameda Primary School in my village. I moved to Otieno Boys High School. Yeah, that's outskirts of Kisumu, town. But still within town.
Yep.
Yeah, my first job was at Blackberry down there. Actually, we just passed it.
It's a club or something?
No, it's a company, an enterprise dealing with uniforms,
Oh, yeah.
basically both men and women attire. Yeah.
And guys, as you have seen in most of the pictures being taken in the streets of Kisumu, it's always this famous, you know,
Yeah.
streets.
The city
So
square.
this is the city square, and the most known place here in Kisumu. I mean this route going up. Kisumu has got big malls. What are some of the malls that are around here?
Yeah, we have Mega Plaza, it's a mall. We have the United Mall. We have the Mega City Mall. We have One Canton Mall. Yeah, so there are a lot. There are a lot.
Ooh.
The street that we are just approaching, it's known for selling phones. Yeah? Everything that is happening here is just about phone. This is where you can repair your phone.
Yeah,
where
your
you
phones.
can buy your phone.
Yeah.
You can buy all the accessories for your phone and laptops.
Kisumu is very hot, man.
Yeah,
I'm
it's hot.
sweating like shit.
It's very hot. Extremely hot.
So basically these streets, you can see they sell laptops, they sell phones. I was the last time I was vlogging about Kisumu was almost a year ago. I was walking around the streets of Kisumu, and I would say that Kisumu is pretty much changed. You know, it's way much more cleaner compared to the last time that I was here, and things are pretty much organized, and I love it. This is Kisumu.
Yeah, this is the Mega Plaza.
Mega
Mall.
Plaza.
One of the tallest building. Among them, we also have Nairobi City Campus now in Kisumu.
Oh, yeah.
Kisumu branch. Here it is. It's also one of the tallest buildings. It's around 16 floors.
16.
Yeah. And the other one is also around 17, 18.
In generally, I would say that Kisumu is actually one of the most touristic places here in Kenya, because this is the place we have the Lake Victoria,
Yeah.
we have the Impala Park,
Impala Park.
then we have the museums,
We have Kitwikai.
Kitwikai. It's around this place, and yeah, it's actually a place that it's worth actually coming to visit. Let me say, when you're actually in the country, it's a place worth coming and visit. If you want to know more about most of the historical people, or like some of the legends we had in Kenya, like the Tomboya,
Yeah.
we have the father of Raila Odinga, who's Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. Basically, Kisumu is the hub of tourists as per se here in Kenya.
Yeah.
So if you have time, you wanna come check this place out, it's worth.
Yeah. You cannot get bored. Yeah.
Nyaje.
Bro, nagwaje man?
Nyaje.
It's a vlog, man.
He's a
guys.
vlogger.
Yeah, he's a
I know.
vlogger, you know him.
I actually vlog with his wife.
When was
Vinsol.
this? Oh, Vincent.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Vincent.
Vinsol. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Kumbe uko mtaa?
Yeah, niko mtaani hapa hivi.
Aha.
Yeah. So others.
It's good luck. We've actually met a YouTuber here in Kisumu and Sylvia and Bichanga.
Sylvia and Bichanga. Yeah.
There's a time we actually did a vlog with his wife around the streets of Kisumu. So basically we're just walking around and seeing how Kisumu has developed. Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
You're a Chelsea fan?
I'm a Chelsea fan. Hata kama tuna lose.
Chelsea for life.
Tumegeuka kama watu wa Arsenal.
Ndio. Sasa tumewachia Arsenal hapo juu.
Sindio?
Yeah.
So guys, what I was saying is I actually met the wife like a year ago. I was walking around the streets of Kisumu and I had an interview with the wife and very cool, nice people. Sylvia and Bichanga YouTube channel, the Amish girl who found love in Kenya. So we've been walking through the streets of Kisumu for the past few minutes, and right now we are just almost winding up the walking tour of Kisumu. Like I said, Kisumu is not a very big city. It's small, but it's organized, as you can see, clean, and yep. And this was Imperial.
Yeah, it was Imperial, but the shares, I think Sarova came and bought some shares with them. So it has become a partner.
Oh.
Yeah.
So guys, you have Sarova Imperial Kisumu. It's actually one of the biggest hotels here in Kenya, and this Kisumu branch is not yet open, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Opening, I think, will be next month.
Next month.
Yeah.
It's a pretty much new hotel. The grand opening is not yet up, so walking around, and yeah, I would say Kisumu is actually pretty much changing in a very high speed, and I would say it's different right now. I mean, compared to the last time I was here, it's pretty much clean, businesses coming up, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is me walking in the streets of Kisumu, and make sure you go check out my friend's YouTube channel, and thank you guys. See you guys in another one.